Turn on hide likes. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on hide likes on tweets. So first thing, go to your tweets, and here guys you have this profile and click on the lock icon, and here guys you have the last option, which is hide likes, and you can tap on it, and here guys you have hide likes. So this settings update on tweets. Now you can turn it on. It will turn on also on Instagram. Tap on it, and now it is turned on hide likes. So the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden, also yours. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.